Blessings and peace, love and paradise to everyone. Welcome back. This is day 41 of Trigger to Transform 90-day journey. All right, so I'm going to say thank you for coming. I always miss doing this early in the video. So like, subscribe, share, comment down below. Book your appointment to talk to me sooner than later, because that calendar, wow. So for each of you that I have already spoken with, thank you so much for taking a moment to sort things out within, right, your own personal paradigm. And thank you for trusting me to guide you in the process. I'm eternally and forever more grateful. Today being day 41, it is a reflection day. And we are going to reflect on this week. These last 7 days inside of what I like to call a cauldron or container. We've been talking about liberated communication, and we've done that in several different ways, talking about our shrinking language, how we minimize ourselves, how we minimize our experiences, compliance scripts, always saying yes, not asking enough questions, getting clarity about what it is that we are agreeing to, and not saying no. Like, my first answer is no, and then I'll think about it. And if I change my mind, that's my business. Okay. And then we talked about over-explaining, which I am still working through. And y'all notice it in my videos. I was like, is that my hair? No, something on the ceiling. Y'all notice it in my videos where I'll keep going about a certain thing. And I digested it and understood it as instructional. And at the same time, in certain settings, that does not work. In certain settings, concise, precise, and not that these things don't apply to the educational, instructional setting. Conciseness, preciseness, short and okay. See, I'm doing it. But we're in detox. I'm in detox. I'm not projecting any of that onto y'all. I know that that's me. Okay. And if you find yourself over-explaining in situations like the kids, right? My kids don't get the over-explaining from me. I said no. Okay. Certain adults don't get that. Children may get it a little bit more, okay, because of the way I think, but not so much. And then we talked about truth without attack. Can I tell you the truth without attacking you? Or can I be told the truth without feeling attacked? Can you? Can we? And then we talked about repair without begging. Oh, I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. I didn't mean to do it. You know that I wouldn't do you like that. Come on now. Come back to me. Don't treat me like that. Don't do that to me. That's my sister. And then yesterday, let me go back. For day 37, over-explaining, our task was to simply say it once, and that be enough. Day 38, to tell the truth without feeling or being or giving out an attack. We are to express one emotion honestly. To repair without begging, we are to practice I am accountable for. This is what I'm accounting for in this disagreement or whatever we're having, how I impacted you and you are not happy or whatever the case may be. This is what I'm accountable for. And yesterday, I have to sneeze, was boundaried language. Saying no once without story, which goes back to over explaining. So today we're here to find out how you're feeling. What measures in your communication have you noticed since you've been practicing these steps over the last few days? How do you align with your sovereignty through your liberated communication? This is a time to sit with the information that you received and apply it to your life. Please don't come in here to hear me talk. Please come in here to hear me talk and take some information with you that may enhance your communications with the people around you, that may support your nervous system in being less inflamed, that will support you in having a calm demeanor, if that's what you so wish. If you like hostility, chaos, exaggerated drama, any of that, then you may not find use in this information. And that's fine. But if you know somebody that knows something about it, and they are interested in feeling different within themselves, then you stop right now, hit share, and send it to them. Okay? So, that is our day 41. Very quick, very short, very straight to the point. It's reflection day. So the time that you would normally spend inside of this container, inside of this cauldron, hearing a tuned perspective, attuning yourself to your natural alignment, for a space of healing the things that have weighed you down, that have stagnated you, that have caused you to question, not be curious, but that have allowed confusion to seep into your world, right? This is the time to really pull back for the next, I don't know, these videos are normally 30 minutes or so, at maximum 30 minutes. So the next 23 minutes, 25 minutes, take your time. You go through the list. Where am I shrinking my communicate? Where am I shrinking in my language? What are my compliance scripts? How do I over-explain? What truth can I tell without it feeling like an attack? How many times have I felt attacked when someone shared truth with me? Repair without begging. How can I position my communication for the service of the true impact, which is to you? Mine is to be heard clearly, to understand from a new perspective, and to share my understanding and perspective in a way that it lands, it's heard. Not that anyone has to agree. We're not looking for agreement, right? And where am I using boundaried speech or boundaried language? Am I not having any boundaries in my language? Am I saying no? I need to get a little note checker. No, have I said no today? Then let me go and do that. Somebody asked me a question. No, and just practice. Right? And use this time as your reflection, okay? And once you do that, once you have gone through your list, gone through your questions, I want you to share one communication shift that you are committed to. That's the word I want to use. Share one communication shift that you are committed to in your journey to transform. What are your communication triggers? That's the question this week answers through liberation. All right. I am so grateful that you chose to be here. Thank you for coming back. If this is day 1 for you, congratulations on choosing yourself and providing yourself with another space to look. And if this is day 41 for you, then keep on keeping on. We are almost halfway there, and I'm so grateful that you're here with me. I will leave you all for your study and see you again next time. With all the love in my heart, you all be well. I am Goddess. Goddess is all I am. I am the many. I am the one. Goddess blessing.